So what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to show you how to log into your personal account in DNB National Bank. So first of all, open web browser application on your device, as I am using the Google Chrome. After opening the web browser application, go to the search bar and search for dnbanks.com, and it will lead you to the DNB National Bank homepage. At the top right corner you will see the login button. Tap on it. After tapping, you will see a login box. So choose your bank account type, as I am using the personal banking account. After choosing, enter the username. After entering the username, enter the password. And after entering the username and password, click on the login button. After doing so, you will successfully log into the DNB National Bank. So that's all for today. Hope you liked our video and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.